Hello everyone, welcome to today's review video. Today I want to be showing you Vidnami, or formerly known as Content Samurai. If at this time you are watching the video and the name has not changed yet, it will be changed soon. I will leave a link in the description so you guys can check it out. So here on your dashboard, you will see when you start your trial, there's a 7-day free trial, and I would advise you to please check it out. It's an amazing tool from what I can see. I stumbled upon this software when I was looking for an easy, reliable way to make videos on YouTube, and very fast. And I was hearing this name Content Samurai. Now Vidnami. So here in your dashboard, you would see when you come to templates, you would see all the different templates you can use. Cool blue, lime green, neon yellow. If you want to make a video from a blog post, click here, it changes. So it shows you this is a more 720 layout, or 1280 I believe it's called, or 1080p HD resolution for YouTube. Sorry. You have sales video here. You have a video for online courses. You have property listing. It's all templates that you can use. You have instant ad. So this is an instant ad feature. This is how it sounds or looks. Christmas has just passed. Influencer video and your custom template, but this one is not done yet. So I'll show you how fast you can make a video with this. This is just for demonstration purposes, okay? So I'm gonna be just copying some text from a website and paste it in just to show you guys how it works. I'm not going to recommend that you copy paste information from someone else's website just like that, okay? So let's type in, okay, let's say bananas. Wikipedia. Don't like how this looks. It's really jumbled up. I want a better layout so I can show you guys. Okay, health benefits of banana. Let's show you. Just copy some right here. Copy. You go back to Vidnami. You paste it. And my recommendation is, what you want to do is separate it, like put space, like give it proper paragraphs. Okay, this looks good so far. Let's give it a title, bananas. Replace it right here, and all you do is just click create video, and that's it. And it will automatically generate the scenes and everything for you. So here you can change the hide the media. If you click this, it's gonna block. You hit it, it opens it. You wanna change the layout of the text, you can do that. I'll put the text underneath like this. If you want to change here from bold, you just highlight it and you like that, and it's gone. If you want to hide the text, you hit hide, and that's it. So it has generated 13 scenes, and it has picked out scenes with the bananas. I'll just put it underneath. So you have to go through. My advice to you would be to go through and to check to make sure everything is matching. Now as you can see, this is not matching, but you can change it, and all you have to do to change the, let's say you want a banana clip here, you just type in banana. And you hit go. Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, now it's coming up. I spelled banana wrong, that's why. Don't penalize me, guys. I'm not a great speller. Well, I make a lot of mistakes. I wouldn't say not a fantastic speller, but I make a lot of mistakes spelling words. That's why you have the internet now. So like this, you just come on the video and you click right here and it will change. Okay, so let's preview it. My computer is pretty fast on the internet. For some of you guys, it may not work that fast. So I did not copy a long script, so it's only 45 seconds. And yeah, you can see. I think you get the idea, and if you want to add your voice, you can do so by recording your own voice or using an auto track, and the auto tracks are pretty good. Here it's a preview. Luke.
Hi, my name is Luke and I would love to read the script for your video. So sit back, relax, and I'll do all the hard work.
You have Heidi.
Hi, my name is Heidi and I would love to read the script for your video. So sit back, relax, and I'll do all the hard work.
So looks pretty good. Yeah, let's try a auto voice and see how it sounds. Preview.
Bananas are one of the world's most appealing fruits. Global banana exports reached about 18 million tons in 2015, according to the United Nations. About half of them went to the United States and the European market. In the United States, each person eats a
So okay guys, that's basically a walkthrough of Vidnami, formerly known as Content Samurai. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough or review video of Vidnami, and I'll see you in the next one.